Welcome to Zoom and Learn TV.
Monster truck goes vroom, vroom, vroom. Big wheels spin with a loud kaboom. Up the ramp it climbs so high, touching almost to the sky. Jumps and lands with a thump-thump-thud, rolling wheels through sand and mud. Monster truck roars, go, 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 fast and strong in a wild show. Turns around with a skid and slide, kids all cheer from side to side. Lights go blink and horns go beep, monster truck never wants to sleep. When the sun goes down so low, monster truck slows soft and slow. Tucked inside the garage tight, dreams of racing through the night. Morning comes with rise and shine, monster truck feels super fine. Fuel tank full, glug, 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 ready for another monster hug. Over rocks, up hills so steep, monster truck takes a giant leap. Through the puddles, splish, splash, sploosh, mud flies out in one big whoosh. Round the track with spin and twirl, paint so bright like candy swirl. Crowds are clapping, yay, 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 monster truck leads the way. Racing friends in friendly play, everyone happy all the day. Winter horn goes toot, 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 tires go rolling root to root. Parked again at night so deep, monster truck yawns, time to sleep. Dreaming loud with rumble hum, tomorrow more adventures come.
And here comes the monster truck, accelerating hard. He hits the ramp. Oh my goodness, what massive air! And he sticks the landing.